As I told you, एक बहुत प्यारा बालकनी हमने देखा, which was open area जैसा था completely. We have a pet more than a daughter to us, so obviously हमको ऐसा area चाहिए था जो कि हम आराम से like it will be accessible by her. हम घर में party कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, we can completely use that area. Regarding the legal process, documentations and everything, सब कुछ उन्होंने like TG people have taken care of everything from tit to bit, everything. The day they assured us they will get us the home, they did get us that. क्योंकि we were staying in a rented house and you know guys like in Bangalore the rents actually go quite high up. तो हमने फिर जिस दिन को सोचा था कि हम इस दिन में घर में मूव इन करेंगे, हमें इस दिन में we need the keys. We got the keys from the CRM team and yes obviously थोड़ा ups downs होता है and that is completely acknowledgeable. उसमें कोई issues नहीं होता. But we got the keys. हमने interior start किया. Meanwhile, the registration process was also in action. There were people like Manoj and all the people who were there, so they helped us out for the registration process. वहाँ everything was done. All we had to go is like बस गए sign किया हमने and yes we got the registration done quite soon.
And regarding the amenities in TG, so we have a very big and beautiful basketball court.
Yes.
And children playing area was the first amenity that was delivered as soon as possible because there are kids and they used to play in that area, so that is done. And they have put the grass carpet so that बच्चों को hurt नहीं होगा while playing, so that is there. Gym, yoga center, these are in progress, but yeah, people can live without that also. The major things are in place.
जो major था क्योंकि यहाँ maximum like around 200 plus flats है, जिसमें से I think 140 people have already moved in, और उसमें सबसे important था बच्चों को खेलने के लिए they have given us that. Apart from that एक बहुत like सच बताऊँ तो a world class basketball court we have it. Badminton court is already like 95% done. जिम एक पार्टी हॉल है एंड योगा सेंटर्स के लिए इन्होंने छोटे छोटे अच्छे से सारा पार्टीशंस किया है, सो वो भी अराउंड 90% ऑफ द वर्क हैज बीन डन. Swimming pool looks like an infinite swimming pool. That's something great. That is also coming up. So yes, we are pretty sure. जो हमें promise किया गया था, approximately I think like 75% of the things have been delivered. 25% is yet to be delivered, and we are pretty sure it will be delivered. The reason being, जब हमने घर खरीदा था तब इस घर का OC नहीं था. They have applied for OC. उन्होंने हमें acknowledgement form दिया था. And meanwhile, when we bought it, like after like 2-3 months, we moved in. We got the OC because having all the legalities in place is something that people when buy their first home they all expect it for. Or yes, buying a home at TG was really great, especially हम लोगों के लिए because of COVID we were legally married and यहाँ आने के बाद we got officially married in the complete ritual. The balcony was there. In fact, we were the first people in TG to use the community hall. हमने वहीं पे शादी किया, so it was really great. Our parents were there, friends, new friends, flatmates who became more than family to us, and the experience of buying a TG apartment and staying here is something like it can't always be expressed in words. It feels overwhelming when we think of our flat 8004.
We have seen various apartments like societies before booking this one, and few things I can clearly distinguish between the other apartments is this flat has no common walls and the duct area is extremely spacious.
Yes.
So if you don't have the backside rooms are also ventilated enough, and the other flat is having a separate distance.
Yes.
And the ventilation is very good. Even despite of being on ground floor, also the sunlight and ventilation is
pretty good.
And the layout is made in such a way on every floor you don't have to face each other's house. All the apartments are in like designated corners.
Yes.
So you are living in the same floor, still you are having your separate corners. So
since you mentioned it about layout, best thing is in Bangalore, let's be honest and practical. In Bangalore, आप 1 करोड़ रुपए भी दोगे, आपको इतना बड़ा घर नहीं मिलेगा. मेरा master bedroom is 12 by 14. So the size of the rooms is ऐसा नहीं था कि लोगों को घर बस देना था. They have designed the home in such a way so that कि उनको खुद रहना है यहाँ पे. So they have designed things like that कि okay fine kitchen को हम ऐसा बनाते हैं, bedrooms सारे spacious हैं, हमारे सारे bedrooms में मैंने cupboard बनाया, उसके बाद we have the king size bed in all the bedrooms, so सारे bedrooms spacious हैं. उसको छोड़ के regarding the materials that they have used during the construction, 80% of the materials are good enough. Tiles से लेके they have got us the Jaguar fittings in washrooms and everything. Yes, over the time कुछ ना कुछ wear and tear होते रहता है. That is completely understandable और वो चीज़ होगा. And that is cool also. But the way they have used the materials, raw materials for getting this house up is really recommendable. I love that. I love that.
And pet-friendly society.
Oh, amazing! Yes, it's a pet-friendly society. We have including Gugu. Like she got 12.
10 plus.
10 plus. Yes, around 10, 12 retrievers, labs, and pugs. So बहुत सारी societies में ये भी concern होता है कि वो लोग dogs को allow नहीं करते हैं. But यहाँ पे ये pet-friendly society है, so कोई इतना issue भी नहीं होता. We have a designated pet area also which is coming up. So yes, it's really amazing to be a part of TG family, and yeah, you acknowledge that you love TG. Yeah, she loves TG, and yes, it's happy. It's a happy place to be in. Yes.
ठीक है.